Hello, this is Teacher Mayflower and I am from the Philippines. I am a licensed professional teacher with over 16 years of experience teaching various elementary grade levels from kindergarten up to 6th grade. I have also TFL certificate which qualifies me to teach kids, young learners, and even adults all over the world. My passion in teaching is complemented with my abilities in dance, singing, and acting, creating a fun, enjoyable yet informative learning environment. So, enjoy your lesson with me and see you in my class.